For us, we love to help people. It's just something that runs through the bloodline of Pure Maintenance of Alabama. We're here to serve people. That's what we were meant to do. Majority of our customers come to us because of health concerns. 25% of the population is more sensitive to mold than the rest of the population. When we get a call, it usually feels more like a therapy session than it does a mold education course or about how we're going to fix your home. It's more about listening. I'm really concerned about the customer getting the best treatment possible. Where traditional remediation fails, we want to do better for our customers and the environment. Nobody wants toxic chemicals in their home. The Pure Maintenance system is a food grade safe, non-toxic product that's not going to leave any residues behind. The first step of what we do is the InstaPure process. Our dry fog technology denatures visible, hidden, and airborne mold. And then we move to our second step, designed to lower the mold load in a home down to museum level clean room standards. Using DOT helps us stay aligned with these values. Any staining that persists, we utilize DOT to satisfy the customer, home inspector, ourselves, and the industry standard for mold remediation practices. When that customer, that family comes back into their home and they see that the mold and the staining issues have been addressed, they now have this huge weight that's been lifted off their shoulders. We can walk away knowing, because of their reaction, that we've done something impactful and meaningful for them in their home.